and but even then the color is just preserved with our technique, the tip that we use the rice flour. Look at the color of that. It's very tasty. It is very mild tasting. Salt, I think I will put a little bit hing to finish it, and a little bit more salt, not even half a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, it's just a pinch of salt. It's a very easy and nutritious dish with a lot of flavor. Hello, welcome to my cooking channel, Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm just making greens today, the Indian way cooking greens. I have two types of greens here. I have methi leaves. I already cut it, chopped it, and that is half of it. And now I am chopping spinach, because methi leaves is, underneath this is methi leaves. You can see the stems, and then I am now chopping more spinach. In the summer we get small bunches of methi leaves, and usually this dish is made with a different kinds of greens. It is just so simple dish. We have this preparation in almost every single state of India, and north in the Himachal mountain cuisine, Himachal Pradesh, they make it a dish like Kafuli. In Punjab they make a sag, and in Kerala we cook like all these dishes and mash it, and just simple like green chilies and turmeric and lots of garlic, and if you like you can put onions also. It is just simple dish, and different different regions they make they cook it in north they cook it in mustard oil. North they cook these things in mustard oil and add mustard oil at the end, or depending on some places they do a tadka, but I don't usually do a tadka. And in Kerala everything goes with the coconut milk, so they mash it up and add a little bit coconut to the creamy texture. They add coconut milk and little coconut oil at the end for the flavor. This dish is so simple, versatile, and you can get it all over India. So I am just making my version of it today with the ingredients I have today at my home. This is just cooked greens, and this is so healthy because we have to have greens in our diet. Just starting with some oil we have to have, because we are not using any other things, so we have to have a good amount of oil. I use like 3 tablespoons of oil. Into that I am adding onions and chopped up green chili. I use 3 green chilies for this, and then I'm adding lot of garlic also. Spice we add is little bit turmeric, little bit of hing, and some cumin. I forgot to add cumin in the beginning. but that's okay. Everything will saute. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. When you cook greens, you have to be careful with the salt because this will come down in quantity. I'm going to add the leaves for now. This is spinach and methi leaves. So with the different variations, we cook this greens in every state of India. The way I am preparing today is from the north state, the mountain region, Himachal, Nepal, and I like adding methi to spinach. It will give another depth of flavor. This is one bunch of methi with equal quantity of spinach. You have to quickly stir fry this. I'm going to add a little bit water so it will cook fast. You have to cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Just checking to see. Yeah, it is getting cooked. You have to get it cooked into a level where you can mash it up a little bit with your spoon. And let me taste for salt. It needs salt, so I'm adding another 1/4 teaspoon salt, which is total now just half teaspoon salt. And my final ingredient is 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Going to make a little paste of that, mixing that rice flour. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Actually, it is not 2 tablespoons, 1.5. Just adding it to this and again cooking. This will bring everything together. In Kerala preparation, we use a little bit coconut milk at the end like this, and then finish it with some nice coconut oil. For north, they cook. This is the mountainous region of India. It's called Kafuli, and they cook it like this, and it will be eaten with bread, roti, chapati. It's like that. And if you see this dish, now we cooked almost 10 minutes. The whole thing, it has come together very well, and but even then the color is just preserved with our technique, the tip that we use the rice flour. Look at the color of that. It's very tasty. It is very mild tasting. Salt, I think I will put a little bit hing to finish it, and a little bit more salt, not even half a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, it's just a pinch of salt. I'm going to transfer the kafuli dish into a container now. This will be good for a couple of days. For me, I will be eating this with rice, chapati, roti as a side dish. It's a very easy and nutritious dish with a lot of flavor, and please try this recipe. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my recipe. Please, if you have any comments, please write it below, and please, you know what to do. Like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you. We'll see you in another easy fast recipe like this.